In this video, Mike meal preps breakfast burritos, and I meal prep a crazy good casserole and enchilada stuffed sweet potatoes for our next trip to San Antonio for my birthday. Except for the bacon, these are healthy, and they're oh so delicious. We're trying so hard to stay away from the junk food, the pizza, gas station food, and trying to eat healthier, and this seems to help us. I have links to the PDFs of the recipes in the description below, which are on our website, so check them out. Hey fellow RVers and outdoor adventurers. If you love hitting the road in your RV, camper, or van, but don't want to spend hours every night cooking, this video is for you. I'm sharing 3 easy make-ahead recipe dinners that you can prep in advance, freeze, and have ready to go on your next RV, camping trip, state park getaway, or weekend road trip. These meal prep dinner options will save you money, cut down on the mess, we know about that, and make your outdoor adventure stress-free. Whether you're boondocking, dry camping, or parked at a full-service RV park, these quick, no-fuss meals will be your go-to for delicious and convenient RV dining. Forget spending a fortune eating out every night with these easy camping recipes. They're budget-friendly, they're delicious, and they're perfect for anyone who loves RV travel, van life, or road tripping across the country. So if you're ready to make your trip easier and tastier, stick around. Don't forget to subscribe for more RV prep, road trip hacks, and travel-friendly recipes. I also made PDFs of these 3 recipes, and they're on my website. And a link to my website is in the description below. So go check them out, and they're free to download for yourself. So let's get cooking. Chef Mike is creating this recipe starting with the bacon. Now, he does his bacon a little bit differently than I do. I usually use the strips. He peels it up and makes it into pieces to begin with. And that works too. Meanwhile, I'm blending up a dozen eggs.
Those are really darker than we usually get.
What, the eggs?
Yeah.
Too bad there's not smell-o-vision. It smells amazing. Now we got the tortillas. Yeah, look at that, yeah. We have crispy bacon. We're going to set that aside and unscramble the eggs.
When this gets semi-hot. Normally I had to put sour cream in this. It makes it super fluffy.
Oh.
See, trick, you don't want the cheese in there to melt. So you have to let all this cool.
Okay.
Then you put the cheese on it. And then when you cook it, when you warm it up,
Then the cheese melts.
it'll melt then.
Right. So we let it cool, and Mike added the cheese and the bacon to it.
Here.
And now we're ready to assemble the burritos. Mike also melted some butter to glue the edges of the burritos together.
All right. First one's always the measuring one. This is the one that determines how the other ones go.
Oh, okay.
Well, that's enough. I'll get a little bit more.
Yeah.
A little bit more. All right.
And our first burrito is finished. Now we got 9 more to go.
Better if you wait it out.
Oh, that's so you can seal up the edges.
Yeah, that's all. Nothing fancy.
Of course, we have to taste them. Okay, cool. Does it taste good?
Tastes it.
Opinion.
That's my opinion. Take up.
That is good. Okay, they're in the freezer, ready to get frozen. I'm gonna put them in bags. Ready to do a crazy good casserole today. Yeah, this has bacon in it too. This is one of our very favorite recipes. I try to use all organic ingredients, but have you ever seen organic bacon? I haven't. Okay, let's put the cover on this so you know it splatters. Yep, starting to do its thing. Okay, we have here, I have organic chicken. Put it up. While the bacon is cooking, we're supposed to chop up the chicken into bite-sized chunks. So that's what I'm going to do right now. Alright. Let's go. Alright. It's splattering. These guys look pretty good. And we'll let them crisp. Time to cook the chicken and the bacon drippings. This makes the chicken taste delicious. Garlic powder, black pepper. So big down, turn to low. Now cooking the pasta. A pound of pasta. Again. Let it boil from 9 to 11 minutes. I'm just going to set the timer. And pause. And now we have to wait for another 10 minutes to go by. Let's chop this up to little bite-sized pieces. Yes, and nice and crunchy. It's starting to boil. Boiling. To spray a 9 by 13 inch baking pan with non-stick cooking spray. Looks good. Okay, timer just went off. Looks like it's done. I'm just gonna go drain it. I have this thing. You can see it. Add the chicken, but I'm going to actually do it the other way around. I'm going to add this into here. And both cans of cream of chicken soup. I bought the condensed stuff. I'm going to add a little chicken broth to thin it out because it's condensed. I'm going to add some of it to here. Alright. Add some more. Bring the chicken to this cup. I think is 8 ounces. It's a cup. Cup it is. Okay. I just had this on low for now. Okay. I'm just putting it in a casserole dish. Let's just slide that over here. Okay, pop that back in there. Pour into prepared baking dish, topped with crumbled bacon. Okay. And let's mix this all up. Alright. We need our coffee. 8 ounces out of here. I'll put the other 8 ounces on top. You can never have enough cheese. I think it's all ready to go in the oven. Set the timer. All right, 20 minutes it is. Time to clean up while we wait. Of course, the speed of this all up. It comes out of the oven. We're going to let it cool. And I'll probably stick it in the refrigerator or the freezer to get a little firmer. And then we're going to meal prep them by putting them in these guys. They fit really nicely because they're square into the RV refrigerator. And it makes it super simple to heat. We have 11 seconds left. Let's see what this looks like. It looks good. It's even browning. Right. Feeling browning on top. Oh, that looks really good. Can you see that? Cool. All right. It's getting brown on the top. So now we are going to let it cool. And Mike meal prepped these and put them in the freezer the other day. So they're all down in here too. We are all set. We'll wash these enchilada stuffed sweet potatoes. These are vegan too. Okay. Wash them off. I'm gonna stab them a few times with a sharp knife. Oh yeah, this is not that easy to do, huh? Good enough. Okay. All right, we're sticking these in the microwave. It's like 4. This is recipes for 2. There's a cup. Got organic chili powder. So, should be hot enough now. Okay. Yeah, these are warm enough. Notice I'm using the oven mitt because these suckers are hot. Okay. Alright. Notice I'm still using the oven mitt because they're still really, really, really hot. Okay. Pristine. Okay, they're warm. So to let them cool for 10 minutes. They look cool enough. So scoop these out, leaving a little gap. Okay, they are still really, really hot. So I put the oven mitt back on. It's the only way I can handle them. So to mush this all up. Okay, that could be fun. Okay, looks good enough. Now we're going to add in beans. Since I doubled this recipe, instead of 8 ounces of beans, it's 16. This is 15.5, close enough. I did drain these. And 3/4 cup of cheese. This is probably the glue that holds it all together. Okay, so spoon back into the skins. I'm gonna put them in here. These are not the easiest things to stuff. Let's squish these open a little bit more so we get more in there. Yeah. And open these up a little bit wider. Get this all in here. And I ran out of room in that pan, so I had to find another little pan to put the others in. Oh well. Okay. That's right, stick your fingers in, Carol. Okay, it says to put the cheese on the top of the pan. More cheese on top. You like cheese. This is always a good sign. Okay, here we go. Oven is now preheated to 400 degrees. I'm gonna pop these in there. I got 2 little containers. We got 5 in one, and 3 in the other. Just gonna put them right next to each other. And put it there for 15 minutes. Okay, let's see what happens. And we wait. And they're done. I think they look pretty good. What do you think?
They're good.
I have 2 little pans. My big pan, I want to be able to support them. Otherwise they fall over.
Okay.
This is going to let it cool down. I'm going to stick the rest in the freezer. Once it freezes, then I'll put it in baggies and take it with us on our trip. Don't these look yummy? After 24 hours, they're frozen. Time to meal prep them. Okay, they've been frozen overnight. I'm just going to stick them in a plastic container. These fit really great in the RV fridge. So, and they make it really easy to reheat. Of course, they're hard as a rock. Yep. But, let's see. Okay. Didn't all that well, do I? Oh well. What else is new? And that's that. We are all set. The only time we'll be going out to dinner on this trip will be for my birthday. Oh boy. In our next episode, we drive up to the RV a day early to do some last-minute maintenance, charging the battery and fixing the front grill. Mike works from the rig and we go to Wildflyer to pick up our mead, load up the rig with our snacks and meal preps, and then we're off to San Antonio for a long birthday weekend. We haven't been out in 3 months and we're just so excited to get out. We're going to the San Antonio KOA and we want to go see the missions. So come join us on our adventure. Give us a thumbs up and subscribe to see what we're up to next. Ring that notification bell to tune into our next video, usually out every Saturday morning. Please leave a comment too. We would love to hear from you guys. Have a good one.